Hello all and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Rajendra. Today I am going to talk about one important key skill which help us to improve our English speaking, that is writing skill. In order to master any language, there are four steps that we need to follow. First step is listening step, second step is reading step, third step is writing, and fourth step is speaking. In my previous video, I explained this process. If you haven't yet watched my videos, please watch those videos. Today I am going to emphasize on writing skill. In order to master any language, writing plays really very important role because if we write something daily, then it helps us to express ourselves effectively. If we are writing continuously, then it enhance our writing skill. Also it help us to improve our expressing power. It develop our writing abilities, or it develop our ability to interpret something, and that is going to help us when it comes to speaking that language. That is why I always spend few time in writing. You can write whatever the experiences which you got so far, or you can write down the conclusion of any movie which you watched, or any book which you read. You can just try to conclude those book or that movies, and that's how you can check whether you are expressing effectively or not. If you are not expressing effectively, then you need to write it more, and more you will write it down, then you can express concisely about any topic. I'm damn sure about that, and that help a lot when it comes to speaking that language. That is the important of writing skill. So today in this video, I'm trying to describe one picture, and that description of that picture will help us to understand how effectively you can describe any accident or any incident or any picture or any movie. Let's have a look on the picture which I'm going to describe. So you can see that this is a really a very beautiful picture, and you can see the six kids are playing in the garden. They are enjoying their hobbies. That is the beautiful picture. Now you can see that this is really a very beautiful picture, and you have to describe that picture effectively. I tried as my best to describe that picture. Now you can see how I describe that picture. My first line is that there is a beautiful garden with full of green grass. That's right. Second line is the garden look like a circular, and there is a huge building near to this garden. Oh, that's a great observation, by the way. Third line is there are two big trees in the garden. That's right. Six kids are enjoying in this beautiful garden. Oh, that is the six kids. They are busy in their favorite hobby. That's right. There are four boys and two girls in the garden. Oh, that is a great observation. One kid sat on one of the branch of tree and busy with watching things which are so far away from him with the help of the telescope. His parent might have bought that telescope for him, and that is why he's very curious to use that telescope. Looks like he can become any engineers in coming life. Okay. uh Two kids are enjoying in playing football. Look likes they like to play football. That's right. There is one girl, she is enjoying in swinging, and beside her there is one boy who is deeply busy in reading book. Seems like he like reading. That's right. And in front of that boy, one girl is painting something. Look like that girl like to paint something. So that is what my observation by watching that picture. You can see the picture, and this is what my observation, how I describe that picture. That's how you need to daily spend a few time in the writing, and that's how you can develop your writing abilities, and that writing abilities will help us to express effectively when it comes to the speaking English. So thank you very much for watching this video, and also thank you very much for being with me for this video. I'll get back to you with another video. Take care. Bye bye.